Remember those Jetsons cartoons where everything was automated and life seemed like a futuristic dream? Well, guess what? The future is now, and artificial intelligence, or AI for short, is making those Jetsons predictions a reality. From self-driving cars to robots that can diagnose diseases, AI is rapidly transforming our world. But with so many incredible AI tools emerging, it can be hard to keep track of the latest and greatest. So buckle up, tech enthusiasts, because we're about to blast off on a journey into the top 10 AI tools making waves in 2024. Imagine classrooms where AI tutors personalize learning for every student, or factories where machines predict their own breakdowns before they happen. We'll explore AI assistants that can not only control your smart home, but also brainstorm creative ideas with you. So, get ready to be amazed by the power of AI and what it holds for the future. Let's go. Number 10. Amazon SageMake. Amazon SageMaker is a fully managed machine learning platform that simplifies the process of building, training, and deploying machine learning models at scale. With its comprehensive set of tools and services for data labeling, model training, and deployment automation, SageMaker streamlines the end-to-end machine learning workflow, enabling developers and data scientists to focus on building and iterating on their models. With its pay-as-you-go pricing model and integration with AWS cloud services, SageMaker offers unmatched scalability, flexibility, and cost-effectiveness for AI projects of all sizes. Number 9. IBM Watson. IBM. Watson is a cognitive computing platform that offers a suite of AI-powered services and tools for building and deploying intelligent applications. From chatbots and virtual agents to predictive analytics and decision support systems, Watson provides a range of AI capabilities that enable organizations to extract insights from data, automate repetitive tasks, and enhance customer experiences. With its deep integration with IBM Cloud and other enterprise systems, Watson empowers businesses to unlock the value of their data and drive innovation in a rapidly evolving digital landscape. Number 8. Hugging Face Transformers. Hugging Face Transformers is a popular open-source library for natural language processing, NLP, that provides easy access to a wide range of state-of-the-art transformer-based models. From BERT and GPT to T5 and Roberta, Transformers offers a rich collection of pre-trained models for various NLP tasks, including text classification, question answering, summarization, and more. With its user-friendly interface and extensive documentation, Transformers simplifies the process of fine-tuning and deploying transformer models, enabling researchers and practitioners to leverage the latest advancements in NLP with ease. Number 7. Microsoft Azure AI. Microsoft Azure AI is a comprehensive suite of cloud-based AI services and tools that enable developers to build, deploy, and manage AI solutions at scale. From machine learning and natural language processing to computer vision and speech recognition, Azure AI offers a wide range of pre-built models and services that streamline the development process and accelerate time to market. With its robust infrastructure, advanced analytics, capabilities, and integration with popular development tools, Azure AI empowers organizations to harness the power of AI to drive innovation and achieve their business objectives. Number 6. Keras is a user-friendly deep learning library for Python that provides a simple and intuitive interface for building and training neural networks. Developed with ease of use and modularity in mind, Keras allows users to quickly prototype and experiment with different network architectures, optimization algorithms, and training strategies. With its seamless integration with TensorFlow and other deep learning frameworks, Keras enables developers to leverage the power of deep learning without sacrificing simplicity or flexibility, making it an indispensable tool for AI practitioners of all skill levels. Number 5. NVIDIA CUDA. NVIDIA CUDA, Compute Unified Device Architecture, is a parallel computing platform and programming model that enables developers to harness the computational power of NVIDIA GPUs for accelerated AI and scientific computing. With its high-performance computing capabilities and optimized libraries for deep learning, CUDA accelerates training and inference tasks, enabling researchers and practitioners to train larger and more complex models in less time. As the demand for compute-intensive AI workloads continues to grow, CUDA remains a critical tool for unlocking the full potential of GPU-accelerated computing. Number 4. OpenAI GPT. OpenAI's generative pre-trained transformer, GPT models, have made waves in the AI community for their remarkable language generation capabilities. Built on the transformer architecture, GPT models are trained on vast amounts of text data to generate human-like text in a variety of contexts, ranging from conversation generation and storytelling to code completion and language translation. With the release of GPT-3 in 2020, OpenAI raised the bar for natural language processing, NLP models, showcasing the potential of large-scale language models to revolutionize AI-powered text generation and understanding. Number 3. Scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is a versatile and user-friendly machine learning library for Python, renowned for its simplicity, efficiency, and scalability. With its extensive collection of algorithms and tools for data pre-processing, model selection, and evaluation, Scikit-learn is an essential tool for building and deploying machine learning pipelines in a wide range of applications. Whether you're a data scientist, engineer, or researcher, Scikit-learn provides the building blocks you need to bring your AI projects to life. Its intuitive API and extensive documentation make it easy to get started with machine learning, while its robust performance and scalability ensure that it can handle large datasets and complex models with ease. Whether you're performing classification, regression, clustering, or dimensionality reduction, Scikit-learn offers a comprehensive set of tools for all your machine learning needs. Number 2. PyTorch. PyTorch is another powerful open-source machine learning framework that has gained significant traction in recent years. Developed by Facebook's AI research lab, FAIR, PyTorch is known for its intuitive interface, dynamic computation graph, and deep integration with Python, making it a favorite among researchers and practitioners. PyTorch's strength lies in its flexibility and ease of use, enabling rapid prototyping, experimentation, and model debugging. With its user-friendly API and support for dynamic graph computation, PyTorch allows developers to express their ideas in code more naturally, facilitating faster iteration and innovation. Whether you're building convolutional neural networks for image classification, recurrent neural networks for natural language processing, or generative adversarial networks for image generation, PyTorch provides the tools and flexibility needed to bring your AI projects to life. Number 1. TensorFlow. At the top of our list is TensorFlow, an open-source machine learning framework developed by Google Brain. TensorFlow remains one of the most popular and widely used tools in the AI community, offering a comprehensive suite of libraries and tools for building and deploying machine learning models at scale. TensorFlow's strength lies in its flexibility, allowing developers to create complex neural network architectures and customize their models with ease. With its extensive ecosystem of pre-trained models and resources, TensorFlow empowers developers and researchers to tackle a wide range of AI tasks, from image recognition and natural language processing to reinforcement, learning, and generative modeling. From experimentation to production deployment, TensorFlow provides the tools and infrastructure needed to drive innovation and make impactful contributions to the field of artificial intelligence. This list just scratches the surface of the incredible potential of AI. These tools are not here to replace us. They're here to empower us, to help us achieve more, learn more, and create a better future for all. AI is transforming industries, from education and healthcare to transportation and cybersecurity. As AI continues to evolve, the possibilities are truly endless. So, what do you think? Which AI tool excites you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed exploring the cutting edge of AI advancements, be sure to like and subscribe for more journeys into the fascinating world of technology.